In our daily lives, it's easy to fall into the trap of negative thinking, but Islam provides us with guidance to guard our hearts and minds from its harmful effects. Negativity can have a deep spiritual impact. Islam teaches us that our thoughts and emotions affect not only our mental state, but also our connection to Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned against harboring negative emotions like envy, hatred, and despair, as they can poison the heart. These feelings can lead us away from the inner peace that comes with faith. Negativity doesn't just affect our spiritual health, it harms our relationships. In Islam, we're taught to treat others with kindness, patience, and forgiveness. However, negative thinking can lead to resentment, backbiting, and conflict, which are major sins. By allowing negativity to take over, we distance ourselves from our duty to maintain healthy and harmonious relationships. So, how do we avoid the dangers of negativity? First, seek refuge in Allah through dua. Whenever negative thoughts arise, turn to Him for strength. Second, practice gratitude. Islam encourages us to focus on the blessings we have, which helps us develop a positive mindset. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences, people who remind you of your faith and encourage good. Negativity is a silent enemy, but with faith and mindfulness, we can overcome it. Remember, Allah is always with those who keep their hearts pure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. Stay positive, stay blessed, and see you in the next video.